Okay, first, to make the rays, you're gonna place some double stick tape over the area that says tape here, and then trim it to the edges of the cardboard. Next, you're gonna gently start to fold the edges at the creases, at the scored marks. Sometimes the tip can be a little bit finicky, but don't worry about it because we're gonna be trimming the very tips to make them a little cleaner. So if they don't line up completely, that's fine. So you should have something that looks like this, and then you can peel the tape away and fold over the edges and press together so that tape holds the piece together in a diamond ray shape, whatever that thing's called. And again, the tip is going to be kind of difficult to maneuver in. Just go slow. And remember, we are going to be clipping that off eventually, so don't worry about it if it looks kind of messy. All right, put some gloves on because the soot from the laser cutting, I would hate for that to get on your fabric. So just repeat that for all of the rays. And again, let's get rid of those really ugly pointy parts. So you're gonna trim it about 1 centimeter from the top. And then I used one to align the other ones to make sure that they were all nice and even. So just clip and trim and just repeat that for all of the ray shapes that you made. And you should have at least 7, maybe 9. Then take a glue stick and you're gonna place glue all over the lower layer as it is pictured here. And then fold over the top upper layer, press in place. Once that is all pressed in place, if you have a wig head, you can pin it to the wig head. If you don't, just find something circular and secure it in place. What that's gonna do is help it dry in a curved shape. It's just gonna be easier for you to attach the rays to the headband once it's all dry. Once it's completely dry, you can remove it from the wig base. And look, it's a nice little curve. Now gently start folding out those tabs on the headband. Each ray is going to be put into position on the headband like so. And in this example, I used a piece of red tape, so it's a little easier for you to see how I'm securing these rays onto the headband. So just place a piece of tape on the bottom of the headband and put it through the little tabs, and you're going to place the ray right on top and then press the tape down to the inside part of the ray. You're going to probably struggle with this until you do it a couple of times, so don't get discouraged, just keep at it. And the trick is to get the ray to be as flush as possible to the headband. But it's gonna look great once you get it all done in place, and just repeat this for all of the ray pieces, and then you'll be ready to paint.